Those of us who work with and counsel potential home buyers must demystify the processes for them up front and educate them on the choices they can make with the options they have. This is by no means an easy task or a quick one, but one that must be included in the process if we want them to be successful. We must help them deal with these barriers while also considering their income level and the possibility of cost burdening now and/or in the future. It takes hard work and dedication on everyone's part to provide and purchase affordable housing. It takes patience as well as compassion for and understanding of the unique situations that individuals, families, and communities find themselves in when developing quality housing for an affordable market. We must also be aware that these barriers are a multifaceted situation, and overcoming them is multifaceted as well. The world of affordable housing has a lot of moving parts, and there is not one specific recipe, but rather several variations of one that work to make home ownership possible for our low and moderate income clients.